स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे.
Since in truth, in reality, bondage and freedom are relative, these words are only for those terrified with the universe. Understand? These words are only for the people, for those who are terrified with the universe. First line, very powerful line. Bondage and freedom are relative. Only a courageous master can tell this. Because when you are liberated from bondage, you may not need master. Fortunately, Shiva did not have disciples who were dating around for master. Understand? Just like in the West, just how they date around for a companion, same way the dating around for master also happens. If you are surrounded by the disciples who dated around and found you, you cannot take the risk of giving the ultimate truth to them. Then the deal is over. But here, fortunately, Shiva is surrounded by the disciple who was in the same mold marriage of the Vedic marriage. See, I gave you the clear difference between the traditional Vedic marriage and the Western kind of a marriage and setup, mental setup. Same way the Guru-disciple relationship also. If you are sitting here, all the questions are answered, and just you are sitting here to have more and more understanding, like more and more you want to pour your gratitude. You are here just because your gratitude is Indian traditional marriage. I am an instrument. I happened in your life to train you to pour your gratitude. How the Vedic marriage, the spouse is added to your life so that you will get trained to pour your compassion out on one person. Then you can pour it on the whole world. Same way you will be here. I will be added to your life so that you will be trained to pour your gratitude on me. Then you can pour it on the whole world. It is actually the marriage and Guru-disciple relationship is almost same. What idea you have about marriage is going to affect even the idea of Guru-disciple relationship. The other way, the dating and marrying, that system means you are sitting with that system, with that understanding. If the Guru-disciple relationship starts just going around and picking up and finally choosing one, unfortunately, now we don't have every Kula Guru, the enlightened Kula Guru. If we had that, we don't need for you to move to other Guru at all. Because we don't have that, we have to now replace. Anyhow, when you date around and find the master and start sitting with him, it is only going to be, you will be sitting as long as all your questions are answered. Not after that, because deal is over. After all the questions are answered, understand, be very clear, understand this word very clearly. After your brain feels it has taken enough, don't think the moment your brain feels you have taken enough, you have really taken enough. No. When your brain feels you have learnt enough, then you start thinking, I think I have learnt enough. Then now why should I sit here? I think the deal does not seem to be now any more giving. Let's break the deal. I think it is too much demanding than giving. Let's break the deal. Enough, bus. Divorce will happen. And that is what I say, you turn. before reaching the goal. You turn before reaching the goal. Understand, you hit the red signal, not the goal. Sometime hitting the red signal, you think as a goal. I have seen many seekers who are trained in the mental setup of dating and marrying will date around and suddenly have a click. I think, oh God, this guy is fresh out of the box. Young master, fresh out of the box. Surely we can get some new technique, updated version, updated ideas. And sit and learn. The moment you feel your brain is full, or the moment you think is unique contribution I got. Understand, I don't have unique contribution. I want all of you to know, and I want this to be in record. I don't have anything unique to contribute. Everything I am expressing is expressed at least 10,000 years ago. I am sure it is expressed much earlier, but we have a record at least 10,000 years ago. If you are here to find something, unique contribution from me, you are cheating yourself. You are just in wrong place. I neither have something unique to contribute, nor claim I have something unique to contribute. If you are here sitting for some unique contribution, you are still dating. You are still sitting with your questions. Any day you think your brain is filled, now any day you feel, how much ideas I can grab, I think I have grabbed. Or your brain will say, I think I learnt everything. When you think you learnt everything, be very clear, you filled your brain, not learnt. Your brain says no. Whenever your brain is filled, it gives you an idea, you have learnt everything. You have not learnt everything. Your small brain is filled. That's all. Then you decide, now it is too much demanding. Why should I wear this mala? Why should I do meditation every day? I have to drive all the way, 1 hour drive, and go and sit there. He comes in his own time. And I am sitting in a normal chair. He is sitting in a big throne unnecessarily. Why should it be? You take a U-turn and you mistake the red signal as goal. Red signal is your brain is filled with thoughts, ideas, but your brain tells you you have understood everything. The red signal shows as if it is a goal, and you take U-turn. The relationship with guru-disciple and the marriage both comes from the same attitude. If you are sitting here, all my questions are answered, my brain is full, but I am overflowing, let me sit, I am here around doing whatever I am doing, whether I am giving my time or sharing my talent or my treasury, it is out of gratitude. If you are with that attitude, you will see every day you will be exploring new and new, deeper and deeper things. New things will be opening. New things will be happening. I will only be just an object, a reason, excuse for you to pour your gratitude and love to the whole world. I am like a training object. You will pour it and see. Naturally you will be trained to pour on the community. First master, then community, then the whole world. How it happens in a marriage system. First the spouse and the family, community, then the whole world. In tradition, we had only two lifestyle. One, the householder lifestyle, the same mold, pouring it on one person, pouring it on community, pouring it on whole world. In the spiritual way, same thing, pouring it on master and pouring it on master's community and pouring it on the whole world. The sannyas and sansar, both life, same attitude and same goal and same ending. That is why we never had a problem with the whole social setup. With the whole social setup. It was such a beautiful, tuned truth.